Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have understand that how does AI become smart. So the most important thing was data. Let's recap what is data. Data means raw information. It can be in different types. Numbers, it can be text, it can be images, videos, it can be audios. As we humans learns from observation, books and experiences, AI, machine learning, and deep learning learns from data. So, if there is no data, there will be no learning. Let's understand the different types of data. The first one is structured data, where the data is organized. It is stored in rows and columns. It is easy to store and analyze. For example, there is an Excel sheet which is having students' data with respect to subject wise marks. So, it is stored in rows and columns. Another example is of database. If there is a student database having roll numbers, their contact details, their names, then their address stored in form of rows and columns. So structured data is something which is always stored in the form of rows and columns. The next one is unstructured data. Unstructured data is not organized in tables. They do not have any fixed format. The most of the data is real-time data. For example, images. They are not represented in the form of rows or columns. They are all pixels, hence they are unstructured data. The next one is videos. It is a composition of images, audios, and motion, which is complex. Therefore, it is also an unstructured data. The next one is audio, which is a sound waves. They do not have any label data. Therefore, it is also unstructured data. The next one is text messages, which is free text. You can write in different forms. There is no structure followed. Therefore, it is again an unstructured data type. Let's move to semi-structured data, which is partially organized and it is not stored in table formats. It uses hash or tags. For example, JSON files, which have a keys format and not a table format. Therefore, it comes under semi-structured data. The next one is XML files, which again have a tag-like structure but do not follow a row or column structure. Therefore, it again comes to the semi-structured data. The next one is email, which follows sender, receiver, subject, and body message type, which has some structure, but when it comes to message body, it is free text. Therefore, it comes under semi-structured data. The next one is log files, where you have time, event, or message data. So, again, they are not in any structure or they do not follow any row and column structure. Therefore, it comes to the semi-structured data. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos for more insightful content and exciting updates. Bye bye.